If you're looking for a versatile, durable, and highly functional electric skillet that can handle everything from sautéing and frying to grilling and broiling, look no further than this Zojirushi Gourmet Expert Electric Skillet. Whether you're an aspiring home chef or a seasoned kitchen pro, this electric skillet has everything you need to elevate your cooking game. With its sleek design and multifunctionality, it's a must-have for anyone who loves cooking indoors with ease and style. Key features of the Zojirushi Gourmet Expert Electric Skillet. Large cooking surface. With a 10.5-inch diameter and 2.25-inch depth, this electric skillet provides ample space for cooking larger meals. It's perfect for everything from stir-frying vegetables to grilling steaks for the whole family. Titanium ceramic nonstick coating. The cooking pan features a high-quality titanium ceramic nonstick coating that ensures even heat distribution, prevents food from sticking, and makes cleanup a breeze. You can cook with less oil and enjoy healthier meals with no mess left behind. Multifunctional design. The Zojirushi Gourmet Expert is not just an ordinary skillet. It's designed for various cooking styles, including sautéing, stewing, frying, grilling, and broiling. Whether you're braising a pot roast, grilling vegetables, or making sukiyaki, this skillet can do it all. Adjustable temperature control. The skillet offers adjustable temperature settings ranging from 176 degrees Fahrenheit, keep warm, to 430 degrees Fahrenheit, allowing you to control the heat precisely for different cooking methods. From low-temperature simmering to high-heat grilling, this skillet can handle it all. Stay cool handles. The stay cool side handles ensure that you can safely remove the cooking pan without burning your hands. The handles make it quick and easy to move the pan from countertop to table for a seamless cooking experience. Tempered glass lid. The included tempered glass lid lets you monitor the cooking process without having to lift the lid, keeping the heat in and reducing the chances of overcooking your food. Detachable power cord. The detachable power cord offers added convenience, allowing for easy storage and cleaning. ETL listed. This electric skillet is ETL listed, ensuring that it meets the highest safety standards so you can cook with confidence. Benefits of using the Zojirushi Gourmet Expert Electric Skillet. Number 1. Versatility at its best. The Zojirushi Gourmet Expert Electric Skillet is a true all-in-one appliance. With the ability to sauté, stew, fry, grill, and broil, it's perfect for anyone who enjoys cooking a variety of dishes. Here's how you can use it. Braised dishes. The skillet is perfect for braising meats like chicken or pot roast in wine or broth. Its deep cooking surface ensures that your food is fully immersed in flavor and simmered to perfection. Frying. Whether you're frying pork chops, pancakes, or vegetables, the skillet's non-stick coating and adjustable temperature control ensure you get crispy, golden results every time. Grilling. The built-in drip pan makes grilling healthier by catching excess fat and oil, so you can enjoy barbecued steaks, seafood, or vegetables with minimal mess and cleanup. Broiling. The skillet's dual heating elements, in the lid and base, provide consistent broiling for meats, fish, and even vegetables. The catalytic filter built into the lid helps reduce odors even when cooking fish. Number 2. Healthy and flavorful cooking. Thanks to the non-stick titanium ceramic coating, you can cook with little to no oil, making this skillet a healthier option for daily meals. The even heat distribution helps lock in flavors, ensuring your food is delicious without requiring excess fat or oils. Whether you're grilling, sautéing, or braising, this electric skillet ensures perfectly cooked meals every time. Number 3. Convenient and easy to use. The Gourmet Expert Electric Skillet is designed for ease of use. The adjustable temperature settings give you complete control over the cooking process, while the stay cool handles make it safe to handle at all times. Plus, the detachable power cord makes storage and cleaning a breeze. The tempered glass lid allows you to check on your food without losing heat, saving you time while you cook. Number 4. Stylish and durable design. Not only is the Zojirushi Gourmet Expert Electric Skillet highly functional, but it also boasts a sleek and modern design. Its durable cooking pan and high-quality materials ensure that it will last for years, making it a great investment for your kitchen. Whether you're cooking for a family dinner or hosting friends, this skillet will impress with its performance and style. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.